Hello and welcome to my channel. I am back to show you my haul from Heidi, Swapp, Amazon, and Peachy. From Amazon I just have one item, and I just bought these envelopes again, and it is the large card making. So I bought these plastic. Let me take it out of the bag for you. And they look like this, so that you could put dies or cards in it. So they do come, I believe, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, 10. 10 in a package, like for $7.99. So, and they are pretty sturdy. I do keep my dies with stamps if they have stamps with dies, or stamps alone or dies alone. So I do put them in here. So that is from Amazon. Let me know if you need the link. I will send it to you in the chat below. Then from Heidi Swapp, I picked up these for my 6x8 sleeves for my stamps, and also it does fit dies. If you have dies on your 6x8 stamps, you could put them in the back. It does fit. So I bought 3 packets of that one. Then I bought 2 of the 4x6, and they do come 8 in a pack. So, and they're $10 each. So 8 compared to these are $7.99, and you get 10, and here you're getting only 8. I wish they had them bigger. And then I did buy this die from Heidi Swapp, and it's the file so that you could put it in your calendar book. So I did pick that up also, and that is from Amazon and Heidi Swapp. Now I'm going to show you Peachy cheap stamps. So it was 10 stamps. So I did pick up, you know, that deals that they have, and it was the, I believe I'm pronouncing her name is Ron. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but they had this deal where you bought these stamps, and okay, so these are the stamps, and there's 10 of them. I think they were for $12.99, and they're from Hampton Art. Yep, 10 of them. So this one says Wild and Free, and she's a stamp. And I'm going to show you, they are red rubber stamps, and they are separate. So and they're pretty small, so that's one of them. And then this one says Strong and Beautiful. I love her on her hat here, and then the little flowers that she's picking. And then this one says Wine Not, so it's W-I-N-E, and it says with a question mark, Wine Not. She's cute, loving her hair. And then this one says Fierce and Fabulous, and there's Boss Babe on a t-shirt, so that's cute. And then this one says Empowered Women Empower the World. So she's cute. Sorry for the glare. I have my light here and my light up. This one says Make Some Coffee and Own the Day. She's cute. And then this one says Holly Chic or Holy Chic. And then the shoes here. I'm loving the sunglasses. It looks like my sunglasses. And then this one says, ambition is the new black. She's cute. With her little coffee mug there. This one says, kindness is always in fashion. Yes, it is. So, loving the styles of these girls. Brave and beautiful. So, she's there with her coffee also too. So, that is from Peachy. So, as always, if you stayed to the end, I have a little surprise. I bought another set of the stamps, and I'm going to give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people a chance to win 2 of the stamps. So, as always, you have to be a subscriber of mine and leave me down in the comment what you like about my videos and what would you like to see in my videos. Okay, so you have to be a subscriber, you have to be 18 and older, and you have to leave me a comment down below. Please do not say that it's thank you for the chance of the giveaway. Don't say that. Just say anything about my videos or what you would like to see or me to change. Okay, and that is it. So as always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and again, comment the questions that I said so that you can have a chance to win. And it's 5 winners because I'm going to give 2 each to 5 people. So that is it. Take care, and as always, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.